Hi there, my name's Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney. I'd like to welcome you to another edition of our Georgia workers' compensation video series. In this series, I provide you helpful information about the rules and benefits of Georgia's workers' compensation law. Today, I'm going to talk to you about what a catastrophic rehabilitation supplier is. Now, in most workers' compensation cases, people never even hear about catastrophic rehabilitation suppliers. They only come into effect in the most serious of workers' compensation injuries, and that's situations where someone's injury is designated as catastrophic under Georgia's workers' compensation law. The part of Georgia's workers' compensation law that talks about catastrophic designation is known as OCGA 34-9-200.1G. It talks about 6 different types of injuries that can qualify for a catastrophic designation. It includes 5 specific injury types and then what's known as a catch-all provision, which is G6. And G6 talks about any injury that prevents you from doing your prior work and other work available in substantial numbers in the national economy. So, what is a catastrophic rehabilitation supplier? Well, it's someone who's appointed to work in a case that's been designated as catastrophic. The person that's appointed, the catastrophic rehabilitation supplier, has been approved by the Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation and is required to have certain licensing and training to work as a catastrophic rehabilitation supplier. That person, when they're appointed, is going to meet with the injured individual who has been designated as catastrophic to find out some information from them. And then after that, they're going to develop a plan for that person. That plan will generally focus on a couple of things. One, whether the person is possibly able to get back to some sort of work, either through the training they already have or through being retrained, maybe some additional schooling, that sort of stuff, so that the person can return to work. The other thing that the catastrophic rehabilitation supplier is going to focus on is the injured individual's medical treatment. In other words, are they getting efficient and effective medical treatment that they need for their injury? And they're going to look into not just specifically, does that person need additional surgery and that sort of stuff, but a lot of times, does the person need things done so that they can function more effectively around the house? Do they need modifications if they're in a wheelchair so that they can get into different rooms in their house? Or do they need their vehicle modified to accommodate them as a result of their injury? So it's often known as an independent living plan, and a lot of catastrophic cases involve some review of the housing arrangements and vehicle and transportation arrangements to make sure that the person's living as effectively as they can considering their injury. Hope you found this information helpful today. If you have, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up or by liking it. If you want more information about Georgia workers' compensation law, I'd recommend that you visit our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation YouTube channel. You can find information there with all the videos from my Georgia workers' compensation video series. And you can also subscribe there if you want to be notified of future videos as they come out. If you have some specific questions about your case, I recommend setting up a free consultation. It's normally the best way to get those questions answered. You can do that with me by reaching out to me at the phone number that's on the screen now, or by visiting our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, and completing and submitting the form that's available there. Thanks for watching today, and I wish you the best as you recover from your injury.